beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a simple amaranth porridge recipe with you. It's a nice switch up if you're used to having your oatmeal or your cream of wheat every morning. And no, it's not dessert. I know it looks that good. I get that question all the time on my Instagram. It's a very nutritious grain that is just jam-packed with so much vitamins, minerals. It keeps you full until lunch. Like, you literally cannot go wrong with this amaranth porridge, especially because I made it gluten and dairy free. So if you guys want to see how I made this very delicious, creamy bowl of goodness, just keep on watching. First off, you're gonna start by boiling some water. I boiled about 2 cups, and once the water starts to boil, you want to add 1 cup of amaranth grains. Amaranth grains are so healthy for you. It's packed with vitamin D, thiamine, niacin, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, riboflavin. I don't even know if I said that right, but y'all know the name of that vitamin. And on top of that, it has 47 grams per serving, which means that it is so filling, you guys. Like, this will definitely keep you full until lunchtime. When the amaranth starts boiling, you want to turn the heat all the way down on low and cover your pan. After about 8 to 10 minutes, you want to give it a stir. Then in about 10 minutes, you'll start to see the amaranth start to thicken up a lot. So from this stage, you want to keep stirring, then add your milk of choice. I like adding coconut milk or almond milk to mine, and today we're using almond milk. So you just want to pour your milk in while stirring until it's to your desired consistency. So continue stirring and mixing until the seed is fully open, until it has like a soft texture to it. I recommend tasting the seed just to make sure it's fully cooked. So I went ahead and added some cacao powder, which is quite bitter, but it's jam-packed with so many nutrients. This is a sugar-free amaranth porridge, so feel free to add some coconut sugar, maple syrup, or stevia because it's pretty bland by itself. So you can use whatever you like. Then I put a little bit of cinnamon and pumpkin spice and continue mixing. Like with any porridge, you have to focus a lot of your attention on it because you don't want it to burn the bottom of the pan or to get too thick. Then you just want to pour your cooked amaranth into your bowl. This can actually serve 2 people, but I have a big appetite, so I'm just going to serve it in one big bowl. Don't judge me, okay? Then you can serve it with whatever you want, like warmed up apples, peaches, bananas with cinnamon, raisins, or almonds. Now, I'm not really a fan of warmed up fruit, so I just washed and cleaned some fresh strawberries and blueberries, added them on top along with some walnuts, and my ultimate favorite must-have for amaranth porridge is almond butter. Like, y'all don't even know, like, almond butter is definitely the GOAT. Like, it just takes it to a whole nother level. I got this creamy salted one from Trader Joe's, which is like my ultimate fave. I just drizzle it on top, which makes it more like a dessert than a breakfast. I do the same with my oatmeal, and it just looks delicious with all the bright colors and textures and, oh my god, flavors. But most importantly, it's really, really simple. A delicious warm porridge that you can have any time of the year. It will keep you energized until lunchtime, I assure you, okay? It's really filling. Good food truly makes my heart smile, especially to start off your morning with. And this is something that I go to time and time again when I want energy and just want to be filled and satisfied with a dessert-like breakfast in the morning to just make me smile. You know, you just want to do these little things for yourself to make yourself happy. And if you guys do give this a try, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys are, you know, trying to incorporate some healthier meals and want to see me do more videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comment section below as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties.